In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Cardano in Binance. So for those people who do not know Cardano is also known as ADA or ADA, and it's basically the world's third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. And if you guys don't know what Binance is, then Binance is basically a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. Since Binance is a crypto exchange and Cardano is a crypto, you guys can easily buy Cardano in Binance. Binance is also the world's top crypto exchange. So basically you guys can, create an account in Binance. It's secure. You guys don't have to worry about it. So basically, if you guys want to create an account in Binance, you guys can use our referral link, which is in the description, to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. And it's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. All right. Now, without any further ado, let's move on. So the first step is you want to go to Binance.com. After you go to Binance.com, you want to log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, you want to go on trade. Once you go on trade, you want to go on classic. Once you go on classic, basically you want to search for ADA. Cardano is also known as ADA, so don't get confused. When I say ADA, I basically mean Cardano. On the search term over here, ADA. After you search for ADA, it's going to show you ADA/BNB, ADA/USDT. All this slash, whatever this slash means, is basically which crypto or which currency you want to use to buy ADA. For ADA/BNB, I'm going to be using BNB to buy ADA. For ADA/USDT, I'm going to be using USDT to buy ADA. So you want to choose the currency which you want to use. For me, I'm going to use USDT. So I'm going to click on ADA/USDT. Once I click on ADA/USDT, I'm going to scroll a bit down. Once I scroll a bit down, I want to go on versus market because I want to buy ADA or Cardano in market price. And the current market price is $2.178. So let's say I want to buy 3 ADA, then basically for 3 ADA, it's going to cost me around 2.178 into 3. You can calculate that, and it's going to cost you that much US dollar. Once you click on buy ADA, basically your ADA will be bought. All right. So that's basically how you guys can buy ADA or Cardano in Binance. So it's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand the video on how you guys can buy Cardano or ADA in Binance. So if you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. And for watching the video until the end, thanks for watching. It's me, Richie Kevin, signing out. Stay tuned to our channel One to Step for future videos.